Hello everybody, this is the Ship Modelers Library. Today I will show you a book with the warships of the Great Lakes 1754 to 1834 by Robert Malcolmson. The age of fighting sail is usually seen as a contest of the oceans, but between 1754 and 1834 there was also a huge naval shipbuilding effort on both sides of the North American Great Lakes. In this book you can find warships that range from simple rowing gunboats to gigantic three-deckers. It presents the history of the freshwater navies developed by the British, French and Americans as they struggled to control a wilderness frontier. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comment section below which book would you like to flip through in the next edition.